Welcome back to another video. Hi, this is Aniket from Gemini Properties, विमान नगर पुणे। तो मैं आपके लिए एक 4 BHK लाया हूँ जो कि लैविश एंड लग्जरियस फ्लैट है। वो अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन में है और उसका अपकमिंग आने वाला है दिसंबर में 2022 को। अभी हम सेल्स ऑफिस में हैं और मैडम आपको इंट्रोड्यूशन देगी, वो आपको पूरा डिटेल्स बताएंगे ये प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में।
Hi, my name is Aanchal Shriman and I'll give you a brief about the project. So the project is in 2 phases. This is phase 1,
Okay.
which is star A, and the phase 2 is star B. Now we'll see the model room and we'll get a vague idea about the project.
Yeah.
So I'll show you the model room now, so you get a fair idea about the project, how it looks like. Come. So this is the entry gate here, sir.
Okay.
On the left, you'll see there will be a visitor car parking area.
Okay.
And if you could see, this is the exit gate.
Yes.
Like you have to take an entire round in order to exit from the project, right? This project is divided in 2 phases. This is star A and this is star B,
Yes.
right? So this is a 7-story building,
Okay.
and if you could see on the podium level, you will have 3 apartments, wherein on the above, on the levels which are above of the podium level, will have 4 apartments on each floor, and in B tower you will have 20 apartments. On the podium level, there will be 2 apartments on each floor. And the floors above it will have 3 apartments on each floor.
Okay.
Right? Now talking about the amenities we have. So on the podium level we have this clubhouse, and below the clubhouse there will be a gym. This clubhouse will be surrounded by water bodies, wherein you have a senior citizen sit out area on the left and a multi-purpose court on the right hand side. Right? Talking about the amenities on the rooftop level. So the project is being maintained, made in such a way that 50% of the amenities are on the podium level, rest 50 are on the rooftop level.
Yes.
Reason being, there will be some people who will not be very comfortable using the swimming pool on the podium level, right? Because we have big balconies where people sit, so they won't be comfortable using the swimming pool on the podium level.
Yes.
So we have made it on the rooftop level, and this is one of a kind swimming pool which you will not see in any other project in Pune. So this is hanging between the 2 towers. If you could see, this is star A and this is star B, and this is the pool is between the 2 towers, right?
Yes.
Right. This is your amphitheater, and right in front of the amphitheater there's a sit out area where people can sit and enjoy the movies that will be played on the on screen, right? There's a bar and barbecue area on the right hand side.
Okay.
So every amenity will be shared by people living in both the towers, right?
How many amenities you are giving on this project?
So somewhere around 20 plus.
20 plus.
Right.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So we'll go from that side and
Okay.
we'll see rest of the amenities.
And how many car park you give?
All right. So whether you take a 4 BHK or a 4.5 BHK, you'll get 3 covered car parks.
Okay.
Fine. This is the yoga deck you have. This is a lawn area where people can walk.
Okay.
Right. This is a jacuzzi, and there will be a kids pool.
Yes.
This will be an adult pool, obviously.
Okay.
This is a sunken sit out area,
Okay.
and besides the pool, you'll get a deck to people, for people to sit. Right.
Oh.
This is a private terrace apartment which is only available in B tower. So you'll get a private terrace, and below this there will be your apartment 4 BHK.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
And this is the
This is penthouse, right?
yeah. This could be called as penthouse.
Okay.
Right. In vicinity we have hospitals, we have colleges in the vicinity, and right in front of it there's a commercial project. So everything is in vicinity.
Yes.
Airport is at 500 meter of distance. Now I'll take you to the apartment layout.
Okay.
Since we have got a good idea about the project, we'll see the apartment
Yes.
layout. Come.
फ्लैट देख रहे हैं तो मैडम पूरा फ्लैट का वीडियो टूर देंगे, तो चलिए देखते हैं।
Now we are going to see a 4.5 BHK. So, sir, you'll get a 3-in-1 lock-in system.
Okay.
So you'll get a PIN code, a thumb impression, and a lock and key. Obviously, you'll get
Okay.
this wide, huge lobby, so that even if somebody is standing there, they can directly peep into your apartment. On your left, you have your kitchen. Right.
Yes.
You'll get a hob,
Okay.
chimney, reticulated natural piped gas.
Okay.
And you'll get this all modular kitchen setup. So if you could see, this is the setup you'll get.
Okay.
It will be all done up.
Okay.
Right. Only white goods won't be there. There you have a utility space.
Okay.
This can also be made as a dry balcony.
Okay. पानी PMC का आता है, right?
Exactly. Then you have a
और
provision
क्या?
for dishwasher.
Okay.
Then you have a sink here, and the entire setup will be as same as
Okay.
you could see. Yeah. So now we'll move towards the living area, sir.
Okay.
So since this is a 4.5 BHK, you'll get this 0.5 family room. This is the 0.5. This is a convertible fifth bedroom. Or if you don't want this glass partition, you can have this huge dining or living area, right? So this is a 30 feet wide living and dining area. Now we'll move towards the powder room and the first bedroom, of course. So this is the extra powder room you have.
फिटिंग कौन सी लगी है मैम?
Grow Hair and Toto का fittings है.
ओके.
Right. Come, we'll see the first bedroom now.
Okay.
Since it has an attached washroom, this is the first bedroom. This
कितना है इसका?
fine. So the height is 11 feet.
Okay.
Usually, if you'll see, only 9.5 is the average height that other bedrooms have. But in this project, you'll get a 11 feet height.
Okay.
So even if you want to put your chandeliers and everything, so you have huge space. और जितना बड़ा height होता है उतना ही apartment grand लगता है, right? Right. So you have this separate balcony which connects you to the second bedroom. If you could see, this is the balcony. We'll move towards the second bedroom now.
Okay.
So you'll get large size vitrified tiles in the living and in all the bedrooms.
आपने जो switches provide किए हैं वो कौन सी कंपनी के?
Legrand and equivalent fittings will be there.
Okay.
Yeah.
तो
So this is
वगैरह
the
भी काफी अच्छा है.
right. This is the second bedroom जिसको first bedroom से balcony connect करती है. This is the third bedroom we have. This is as huge as the master bedroom. So this is up to the person if you want to make this your master bedroom or another one.
Okay.
Right? This is as huge as the master bedroom. This is the washroom we have attached to the third bedroom.
वॉशरूम भी ये काफी बड़ा है शायद.
Exactly. Now we'll move towards the master bedrooms. We'll see the master bedroom first, then we'll go to the balcony and everything. In master bedroom, I'll show you the washroom first.
Okay.
So we have this walk-in wardrobe space in master bedroom. In 4.5 BHK, you'll get this jacuzzi, and in all the sanitary fittings will be there, right? So you have this duct space where even if you'll keep your AC provisions and everything, you still have space. You still have room to make it as a storeroom, right? Now we'll move towards the bedroom. In master bedroom, you'll get this wooden flooring.
Okay.
Right. Exactly. So you have this huge master bedroom to yourself. Now, since this is a podium garden apartment, we'll move towards the balcony. Come. So this huge podium garden you'll get in 4.5 BHK. So since this is a garden apartment, so the balcony size is bigger than the usual.
What is the size of balcony?
Somewhere around 38 feet. Like
Okay,
this is
38
feet
feet.
long, right?
The huge balcony, right?
Yes, exactly. Now this is the living area. The best part is that it connects to the master bedroom. You have access from the living area and from the third bedroom. So you have direct access to the extended balcony for all three rooms, right? So this is a huge living area you'll get in 4 BHK and in 4.5 BHK. If you could see the ceiling height, this is 11 feet. Again, I'm telling you, if you want to put chandeliers or if you want to keep anything, the apartment looks very grand and big in that scenario. Now we'll see the family room and we'll sit and talk about the master plan we have. Come. And we'll also see the layout and everything. Please have a seat, sir. So now we'll talk about the amenities we have. So this is the Wi-Fi zone we have in every tower, right? So people can actually sit. If you have visitors, they can also sit in the the podium level, right? Next up, we have this gym area which will be below the clubhouse.
Okay.
So the people who are living inside the project can actually use the gym, right? Then you have this suspended swimming pool on the rooftop, right? So as you could see, there's a deck area where people can sit, after using the pool. Then you have this multi-purpose court, which is right in front of the B tower, right? Then you have, this is the elevation of the project. This is how the project is going to look like once it's done, right? This is the kids play area, which will be behind the project, okay? Then you have the elevation again. So this is the night view of the project, if you could see. So once it is done, it is going to be the landmark of Viman Nagar.
Okay.
Okay. So then you have the clubhouse, and it will be surrounded by the water bodies, as you could see in the image. Then you have this bar and barbecue area, which is on the rooftop again. This is the open amphitheater, and right in front of the amphitheater there will be a sit out area where people can actually sit. This is the bird eye view of the project. The project is going to look like exactly how it has been shown in the picture. So this is the floor plan of a 4 BHK apartment. So once you'll enter inside, this is the bedroom first number of bedroom. On your left there will be a kitchen, and there will be a utility area attached to it. This, like right adjacent to the kitchen, there will be a dining area. When you'll come out, you'll see a huge living area, you'll see over here. So once you enter also, you'll have directly a living area and a kitchen, and right opposite to it will be a dining area. This is your bedroom number first. Then you'll go inside. This is the bedroom number 2. This is your 3rd bedroom, which all the bedrooms will have attached washrooms. This is your 4th bedroom, which will have a separate balcony to it, right? And there's a separate balcony to the living and dining in a 4 BHK. Right, only 5th bedroom won't be there in 4 BHK. And when I say 4 BHK, we have we have separate entry and exit for a servant room.
Okay.
So the servant room is not in the apartment. I'm repeating this again. So we don't have the servant room. We don't have given the access to the servants. So when I say 4.5 BHK, it does not mean that the servants room is in the apartment. It has a separate and exit entry to the servant room. It will have a separate entry and exit of the servant room, so it will not be in the apartment, wherein it will be on the emergency staircase. Okay. So servants will not have direct access to your apartment, but if you don't have 24/7 maid, you can also make it a storeroom or your personal office. It will be there on your floor only, but separated from your apartment.
Okay.
So that is in 4 BHK and again in 4.5 BHK. Okay. So you'll get a separate servants room in a 4 and 4.5 BHK. Thank you so much.
जैसा कि आपने पूरा फ्लैट का वीडियो टूर देखा, काफ़ी बड़ा फ्लैट है, काफ़ी लग्जरियस है, काफ़ी वेरी अच्छा, मतलब काफ़ी बढ़िया बना हुआ है, काफ़ी अच्छा और काफ़ी प्रीमियम सेगमेंट है, और इसका टिकट साइज भी काफ़ी बड़ा जाता है। तो इसकी वजह से ना जो प्रीमियम सेगमेंट देखना चाह रहे हैं, तो ये विमान नगर में काफ़ी अच्छा और काफ़ी नया प्रोजेक्ट है। तो इसके बारे में ना अगर कोई भी जानकारी चाहिए तो मैं आपके लिए 24/7 हाजिर हूँ। मेरा नंबर दिया हुआ है नीचे, नादिर सर का नंबर दिया हुआ है। कोई भी इंक्वायरी हो या फिर कोई भी मतलब पूछना चाह रहा है कि फ्लोरिंग्स एंड फिटिंग्स फिक्चर्स, वो तो सब हमने बता दिए। तभी भी तो कोई डाउट रहेगा तो आप डायरेक्टली हमको फ़ोन कर सकते हो, अपॉइंटमेंट के लिए भी फ़ोन कर सकते हो और डायरेक्टली आ सकते हो हमारे साथ। काफ़ी अच्छा निगोशिएशन भी करके देंगे हम। काफ़ी बड़ा फ्लैट है, काफ़ी बेहतरीन है, काफ़ी फिटिंग्स एंड फिक्चर्स काफ़ी अच्छे यूज़ किए हुए हैं। तो कोई भी डाउट रहेगा तो डायरेक्टली फ़ोन कर सकते हो। हमारे चैनल को अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो, नादिर निर्गिली वाला करके। और बाकी की सारी डिटेल्स जानना है तो डायरेक्टली फ़ोन कर सकते हो। बाकी नीचे पूरा लिंक में पूरा डिस्क्रिप्शन में पूरा वीडियो का लिंक दिया हुआ है, पूरा डिटेल्स दिया हुआ है। अगर नहीं समझता है तो डायरेक्टली फ़ोन कर सकते हो। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।